Away.
So away he went. Mommy. Down out of the tree he went. Down, down, down. It was a long way down. The baby bird called could not find
Could not
fly. He could not fly, but he could wiggle.
No. Walk.
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 Not.
He could walk.
Now I will go and find my mother. He said.
Good job, Luke. That's great reading. It's March, what is it? March 22nd, 2012. 4 years old. He's totally reading. Good job, buddy.
A kitten, or you my mother? He said to the kitten. The kitten just looked. It did not say a